Okay. Now you realize that here we have 2 points. The gerund, after verbs. Sorry. Again, here we talked about the gerunds after these verbs. Gerund means, ing form of a verb. They act like nouns. We use them like, nouns. The gerund comes as a noun. And they answer the question what? Look at the example. I recommend turning off. Here we have recommend. After recommend, we have to use ing form. Our class enjoys learning. After learning, here learning comes after enjoys. We use ing form after these verbs. Advise, begin, cannot stand, consider, continue, enjoy, finish, go, etc.
السلام
Now,
عليكم.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله.
كلاسيرا معلق كتير أستاذ عشان هيك تأخرت شوي.
I know that will. Don't worry. Again, here we are talking about Jamil, about the gerunds. We said, gerunds are the ing form of a verb. Gerunds, come after these verbs. After these verbs, advise, begin, cannot stand, consider, etc., enjoy, we have to use the ing form. For example, I enjoy playing football, not to play. I enjoy playing football. I finish writing my homework. Okay? The second point that we talked about, the infinitives. We said that infinitives mean to what? To plus the base form of a verb. To plus the base form of a verb. They are like, gerunds. They, act like nouns. Infinitive with the base form, it means, the noun. And they answer what the question what. Look at the example. Don't forget to reuse. Do they intend to buy? After forget and after the verb intend, we have to use what? The infinitive with to. We use the infinitives after these verbs. We use infinitives after certain verbs like what? Agree, ask, attempt, begin, cannot stand, continue, decide, expect, forget, hate, love, like. You realize these verbs are mentioned above. So like, love, hate, followed by ing form or to infinitive, to with the base form. You realize here that these verbs which have stars here, these verbs can be followed by an object before the infinitive. For example, they want to plant a garden, or they want us to plant a garden. So this is about the grammar that we want to talk about today. Now look at your books on page 84, exercise A. Okay, read the explanation.
Can I read, teacher?
يلا يا جميل.
Okay. Exercise A?
Yes.
Okay. Circle the correct verbs form. Sometimes both the gerund and the infinitive are possible. Do you want answer the first one or
yes? Start
okay.
with the first one.
Do you want to have a positive impact on the environment? I suggest giving. I don't know, teacher. The second.
Good.
I know. Yeah.
I suggest, suggest comes with what? The gerunds. One of the verbs that must be followed by a gerund. So giving.
يعني giving. Okay.
Yes. So number one. Yeah. Do you want? Here want must be followed by what? Full infinitive. And suggest must followed
To
by
have,
what?
giving.
Giving. Number 2. Sometimes here we have, both the gerund and infinitive are possible. What about number 2? Who wants to continue? Who wants to continue? Faisal? Faisal, Umair, are you here?
Yes, teacher, I'm here.
Please.
Number 2, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you hate? Now,
teacher?
hate. Yes, start.
Okay. Do you hate to throw away old clothes in the garbage?
Good. Now, if you just realize that hate, we can use both ing form or full infinitive.
Yes.
Yes, good. So you can say, do you hate throwing away all the
Or
clothes?
to throw, yeah.
To throw. Good. Both of them are correct.
Correct.
Consider. Look at your books. You will find that consider comes with what? With gerunds. Consider what? Giving clothes. Consider giving clothes that no longer fit you to other people who can wear them. Number 3, who can continue? Who can continue? Usama, are you here? Usama Taha? Kareem? Are you here, Kareem?
Smack teacher.
Yes, يلا Kareem. Read the next. Quit.
Quit using or to use.
Good.
Disposable batteries using or to use. Begin using or to use rechargeable batteries.
Good.
Quit using.
Good.
Begin to use. ولا كمان using.
To use.
To use.
Begin.
I think teacher begin using also.
Begin using or to use. Both of them are correct, Tara.
Yes, we have them in the both infinitive.
It is mentioned on both. Begin and yes, begin here comes with gerunds and infinitives. So we use using or
to use.
To use. Good. Rechargeable batteries. And then quit here must be followed by ing form, the gerund. Begin, we use both, using or to use. Good. Number 7.
Can I semester?
Learn
to buy products with less packaging.
Good. After learn, we have to use what?
Water, juice, and soda.
Good. Learn to buy. Learn to buy. Yes.
Infinitive.
Products, yes, must be followed by infinitive, full infinitive with less packaging. Attempt also to buy. Large containers of water, juice, and soda instead of individual serving size containers. Learn. The same. Number 9. Who wants to continue?
I can, teacher.
يلا كريم.
قصي.
sorry.
Learn to avoid creating trash whenever.
Learn to avoid creating trash whenever possible. For example, when ordering for food, after avoid.
avoid taking.
Taking, good. After, avoid, avoid taking any unnecessary utensils and napkins. Good. Next, number 11, start.
Teacher, can I answer?
محمد، يلا محمد فايز.
Start making a shopping list before you go shopping.
Good. So
This will
start
help
here,
you.
followed
So,
by both. Good. Making or to make.
to make. This will help you stop buying things.
Good.
Buying.
This will help you stop buying things you don't need on, impulse. The last one, keep. Who wants to read? Nabil, are you here, Nabil?
أيوة معك أستاذ.
Please read.
Keep reusing your supermarket
Very good.
bags.
Keep reusing your supermarket bags. Good. Okay, do it quickly, please. Okay. سيف شعبان موجود؟
موجود استاذ. هيني دخلت. هيا
خلاص
زبط.
كويس.